I'm sure that many people, on hearing about the new boardwalk at the Caroni Swamp, would imagine being able to go there and see scenes like this. Or maybe this. So we decided to go to the Caroni Swamp Visitor Center and see for ourselves what this new boardwalk looks like and what you can see when you go there. Nice thing, man. Go wrong and see. Let's see what inside is like. Afternoon. Question. This boardwalk I heard him talk about. Go straight through. All right, thank you very much. The visitor center has pictorial representations of the various wildlife that can be seen in the bird sanctuary. So this is the beginning of the boardwalk. But it's kind of short, man, Neil. So we get some views of the mangrove and a water inlet. Yeah, well, I thought it was more. Plenty, yes. I walk around the other side and see. No, on that side, although I believe that's where Calpu was launched from. It's a very short boardwalk. So we took a walk around the other side of the Caroni Swamp Visitor Center just to see what the other side looked like. Yeah? Yeah. Correct. That used to be the jetty. Them waiting to go out with Kalpu. So you could take Nanan up the road, or Kalpu here, and there's a third one who go for. All these people are waiting to go on the boat for a tour of the Caroni Swamp being run by Kalpu Tours. Because the tour is a few hours. Yeah. So you're going out on the tour, I know 4:30, and you're coming back 6:30. Well, you go into the swamp and you're not going fast. The boat tour is usually the best way to see the Scarlet Ibis in the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. Oh, they're going out on their tour. Entry to the Caroni Bird Sanctuary Visitor Center and the boardwalk is free, but if you're going on a boat tour, you would have to pay for that. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and share the video. If you want to see other videos of outdoor activities in Trinidad and Tobago, select one of the videos that is appearing on your screen now.
Alright, so is going